Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have two Roblox accounts on the same PC. So if you're tired of logging in and out every time you want to switch Roblox accounts, what if I told you you can actually play on two accounts at the same time on one PC? Stay tuned because in this video, I'll show you the quick fix so you never have to choose just one account again. So normally Roblox doesn't let you open two accounts at once. If you try, it locks you out of one account automatically. Super frustrating, right? Especially if you want to trade items, green games with friends, or manage an alternative account. So well, I've got a solution. I'll show you step by step on how you can open two Roblox accounts on the same computer at the same time. No risky downloads, just smart tricks that actually work. So first you can just open Roblox in your browser, Chrome or Edge, log in with your first account. So open your browser in here and open Roblox. This one, roblox.com. And then here you can just log in with your account. Click on login at the top, and with this one you can log in with your first account. And the second one, you can open another browser, or you can also use Roblox apps like I do here. So you can use both browser and also the applications on your computer. So you can do browser and browser. But if you prefer Roblox apps, you can do the Roblox apps plus browser combo. You can also use a private or incognito window for a quick second login. And if it doesn't work for the first time, you need to make sure that you are using different browser or incognito mode. Also, don't forget that your PC needs enough power to run two Roblox windows at once. Close other apps if it lags. And that's it. You've just learned how to run two Roblox accounts at the same time on one PC. If this helps, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!